This 2003 Bluebird Wanderlodge LX comes with a Cummins ISM 500 horsepower engine coupled with a 6-speed Allison World transmission, a tag axle, a Jacobs engine brake, a 200 amp alternator, cruise control, an HWH computerized 4-point leveling system, a 12.5 kilowatt diesel generator, a 3000 watt inverter, 50 amp electrical service, a 175 gallon diesel fuel tank. The living area has an expanding slide out in the living room galley areas with 2 sleeper sofas, expandable dining table with 4 chairs, 2 HD remote control televisions, solid surface countertops in the living room and galley and the bedroom, thermolite, vanity and shower walls, a domestic refrigerator, freezer, ice maker, a sharp microwave convection oven, 2 burner electric cooktop, an Aqua Hot diesel-fired 3-zone hot water heat system, a electric heat in both the living room and bath, 3 fully ducted roof air conditioners, natural colored hardwood floors throughout the RV, which were installed by dealer. Bedroom has a queen size bed, 1 large clothes closet, a storage closet near the bathroom, which has a washing machine dryer combo. The exterior has a steel body construction, carpet lined and lighted bus storage underneath, Sony rear vision closed circuit television system, electric entry step, roof mounted TV antenna, satellite connected to both televisions, dual air horns mounted on the roof, a zip-T patio awning with Bluebird logo and awnings over each windows. The tires are basically new. All 3 air conditioners were replaced only a year ago, a satellite radio and a security